Let it go again too. Unbelievable.
You've reverse engineered some sound. It sounds like a jet engine or an airplane engine.
Right, and it fools so many people when they fly over and they produce this sound. And but when I do a frequency spectrogram of it, it's anything but a jet engine sound. I've recorded jet engine sounds many times and I've compared them. And it is synthesized. Ellen Crystal in her book says all the sounds that are coming from them were artificial because they could stop and change the music, so to speak, right in mid-flight.
So it's making people think that it's an airplane.
Exactly. And what I saw was 10 to 12 separate frequencies paralleling one another, each one individually made as in a music synthesizer. And all of the frequencies decreased in pitch as the sound source came towards the microphone. And after it passed us, all the sound frequencies increased.